So guys, after the new update of Instagram, first I open this and now you can see many people have this problem in their profile in Instagram. This Instagram icon has been very larger. So in this video I will show you the solution of this problem. How can you fix this error in Instagram? This is the new update of Instagram and you can see after the new update, this story, your people or friends story, this icon has been so larger. So how can you again make this smaller? That I will gonna show you in my today's video. So before we get started, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start it. So first you have to uninstall this Instagram. Okay, first uninstall this Instagram app. Okay, after you uninstall this Instagram app from your mobile phone, now you have to go to your web browser. Any web browser you can go in a smartphone, and here you have to search Instagram old version. Okay, this trick will work instantly in a mobile phone. So after you search this Instagram old version, you can see this website guys, number second website. This is the website link. This website link I will put it in my description, you can easily check out. So simply go to this website. Okay, and after you go to the website, simply you have to scroll down at the last, and here are so many versions, old versions of Instagram, but you have to download this last version guys. In the last you can see this version, March 12 2023. This version you have to install. Simply click on this version and simply click on this download button, and now this app will be downloaded in your smartphone. So here you can see downloading process has been started. So now I pause it here. Okay, now you can see download process has been completed. Now you have to install it in your device. Okay, so you can see this app has been installed in my device. So simply open this application, and this trick is work very instantly guys. If you want to fix this error, then this trick will surely work. Now you have to log in to your Instagram ID, type your ID and password, and then you have to log in. So I type here right now, I logged in my ID. So now you can see this story icon has been again back to normal. This story size has been changed, and now this story icon is smaller like same before. So this is the trick guys, this trick will work 100%. So if you like this video and if you like my trick, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So bye bye guys.